Hello world, my name is Ali, and I'm going to do a Rubik's Cube for you. This is the Rubik's Cube. I'm mixing it up, as you can see. I'll show it to you like this, all 6 sides. No hocus pocus, no hanky panky, just pure Rubik's Cubing. Are you ready? I'm just mixing it right now. I'm going to start. I'm going to try to keep it up here so you can see. And I'm going to start right now. So I guess I could talk while I do it. What's up? I started with the blue side. I particularly like the color blue. Maybe that's why I did it. But, you know, sometimes I start with yellow, and I don't even like the color yellow, so that's just weird. But I got one side there. Check it out. Oh, yes. Moving on. Rubik's Cubes are really fun. You should try one if you haven't ever, because you're in for hours and hours of fun. This is taking me longer than usual, I swear. The cube is not hot, that's why. Now you can see I got that second level done. Oh yes, on the way. Now I just need to get the top of the third level done. And then you'll have seen me do the Rubik's Cube right in front of your eyes. It's quite the accomplishment, I'd say. You know? Oh, I'm really close to being done here. This is exciting. This is exciting business right now. And there you have it. The Rubik's Cube has been completed. Hope you enjoyed that.